now on the Blue Ridge Parkway. But I want you to go ahead and drive over the viaduct and then we'll turn around and come back.
Okay.
So they'll see what it looks like from the top.
Okay.
There's where we're gonna go stop and walk in a minute. Right here.
Now look out here. It's a little foggy today.
Look out, mountain.
Now here we go around on that viaduct.
Oh, okay.
This is just the the bridge, but it's gonna come around. It's gonna swing all the way around. You'll know you're on it. Because it like hangs on the side of the mountain.
Linn Visitor Center. We can even go there.
Yep.
Well, up there somewhere.
It's closed.
It was closed.
Yeah.
Well, hiking in anyway.
Now the visitor center looked like it was closed.
That won't stop you from hiking.
No.
Yeah,
It'll stop us from going there.
Pedestrians prohibited. Here we go. You're on it. You're just hanging on the edge of the mountain.
We'll just take you down around here. I'll take way back.
And we'll walk down underneath it from the other end.
Oh.
When all you see is here and now, when everything is crumbling, falling to the ground, this is just a moment, this is not forever. I know it seems impossible when all your hope is gone, but God is greater than the fear you're facing, greater than the storm that's raging. God is with you when you cry, so cry out his name, 'cause God is greater than the pain. He knows the trials his children face. He knows the tears that fall that we all have to taste. But don't you dare let go now. Don't let the candle blow out. His love is strong, so just hold on, 'cause he is with you through it all. God is greater than the fear you're facing, greater than the storm that's raging. God is with you when you cry, so cry out his name.
Yeah.
'Cause God is greater.
Your hand is security.
He is mighty, more than
Look at the big log up here.
rescue and restore.
That's a tree that fell over another tree, didn't it? Yeah.
It looks like it actually had a limb went down and started growing.
It's an interesting tree.
God is
No, it's not.
greater than the fear you're facing.
one rock right there.
A little bit loose. We're gonna go up this way in a minute as soon as I catch my breath. This is the way we came, guys. All the way down that way. Doesn't look half as dangerous as it feels when you're walking it.
We're going up.
You got leaves all over.
And then
That's barnacles.
there's
dude.
more.
Used to be underwater. Barnacles, that's it.
It goes way down and way up. And look at all the barnacles.
It looks like there's a tree holding the whole thing up.
I know, it might be. It's just like people have done it. Right through here. Man, you slip and trouble.
Okay.
I cherish my life too much.
That is one big rock. Hi there. And it's really stacked down here. Stairs and I get along real well. See, it's stacked one rock on top of another. But this rock is a humongous rock stacked on top of that little rock. It's just beside it, yeah.
That little rock's got a whole lot of.
No, that tree's holding that rock. It's holding that rock to keep this rock, you know.
If you step to that side, then you can get on a flat map here. Step on this and then down? Right beside over far right. This is what it looks like when it rains. On the mountain. We're on Sugar Mountain. Probably looking over at Grandfather Mountain. Can't barely see it.
This is the Appalachian Mountain. The whole thing is the Appalachian Mountains, but this section of them is called the Smoky Mountains because they always look foggy.
Yeah, no, it's a.
Panorama.
Guys enjoying your watermelon?
No.
No?
No.
I'm eating it out of obligation for having taken it.
Oh, having bought it, huh?